Hi guys, welcome to the topic on citation. So having discussed the concepts, need and the elements of referencing, now we are going to move on to the following topics. So first is we are going to discuss what do you mean by citation, what are the basic principles of citation and what are the types of in-text citation. Now we will see what is citation. In the citation, the author cites or refers to the source in the text to represent that the information is actually derived from an external source and also to mention that source in a brief manner. Basically, it is an abbreviated reference which you can find in the main body of the manuscript addressing the source of a quote or an image, video, chart or table. Due to this very reason, it is also called as in-text citation, which includes a set of parentheses. In other words, citation is a short notation within the intellectual body of work which points out to a complete notation at the end of the page, providing full details of the source, all the authors, publications which have been cited or to be mentioned in the list of references. Citation is like a credit to the author, editor or publisher for their work and also to help the readers in consulting the same source when they want more information in this regard. While citing the source of information in the document, you usually indicate the last name of the author and the year of publication. Again, this may vary according to the citation style used. So now we are going to discuss the various guidelines to follow when writing in-text citations. Each work cited must appear in the reference list and each work in the reference list must be cited in the text, vice versa. Ensure that the spelling of the author names and the publication dates in the reference list entries match those in the corresponding in-text citations. Cite only works that you have read and consulted and you have incorporated in your writing. The works you cite may provide a key background information, support or dispute a thesis, or offer critical definitions and data. Usually, readers may find a long string of citations very difficult to understand, especially if they are using any kind of assistive technologies like screen reader. Therefore, include only those citations that are needed to support your immediate point. Cite primary resources whenever possible and cite secondary resources sparingly. Cite sources to document all facts and figures that are not common knowledge. I have mentioned this earlier. To cite a specific part of a source, provide an author date citation for the work plus information about that specific part. Even when the sources cannot be retrieved, in certain cases they may be personal communications, still give due credit to them in the text. However, avoid using online sources that are no longer recoverable. So these are some of the basic principles to be followed while providing a citation. Now we will look at the various types of in-text citation. As I mentioned earlier, in-text citations are citations that appear within the body of the text in the manuscript. In-text citations have two formats, namely narrative and parenthetical. A narrative citation is a type of citation where the author's name is used within the text of a sentence. As you can see from the table, the authors Ramdas and Litikar and the year 2013 are part of the sentence. On the other hand, a parenthetical citation is a type of citation where the author and the date in parentheses are presented at the end of the sentence. As you can see from the table, the authors Yasser, Tufan and the year 2010 are presented at the end of the sentence. The references should be provided at the end of the manuscript irrespective of the type of citation used. Again, there are certain rules and regulations regarding single authors, multiple authors, documents, without authors and so on, which we are not going to cover in this course. To sum up, we have discussed the concept of citation, basic principles and the various types of in-text citation. Thank you.